to show you how to get started planting your salad seed starter kit. So you get 3 plastic trays basically with it. You get a white bottom tray, which will hold the water, and you get a plug tray, which will be inserted into that, and then a dome tray that will help your seeds germinate and get enough humidity while they're growing. It also comes with a little instructional guide, as well as 6 varieties of seed, some dehydrated soil, and some plant labels, so we can keep track of what we planted where. So how I like to get started is I start with this bottom tray, and I fill it with about a cup to a cup and a half of water. And then I'll take my dehydrated soil, and I'll take each disc, right, and put 1 in each of the 12 holes. You should come with 12 pucks, 1 for each hole. Next, what you'll do is you'll take the whole cell tray and just set it into the bottom tray and allow that water to come through and hydrate your soil. And as you can see, the discs expand and they fill up your little hole. You might need to adjust them a little bit. It's okay if you need to pour in a little extra water just to make sure that each puck is fully hydrated. We will plant our seeds. So what I like to do is I just like to take a pen or a marker and I'll make just a little divot in the soil. You don't want to make a huge hole. You don't want your seed to go too deep. You just want it to be about a centimeter below the surface of your soil. And like I said, with this kit, it comes with 6 different seed varieties. You can grow these seed varieties any time of the year, but particularly what we have here with radish, 2 types of lettuces, a carrot, a tomato, and a cabbage. Everything but the tomato is really perfect for a fall garden. So if you're thinking about doing that, this is a great way to get started. Or if you want to do a spring garden, tomato works for that too. What you want to do, as a word of advice, is to plant no more than 3 seeds. If you plant too many, it'll just become way too populated and it'll be hard to trim. But 2 to 3 will allow you guaranteed germination, and it'll be easy to trim afterward. So just gently put the seeds in your palm. Pick your spot and throw them in. All right, now we have our seeds planted, and what's left to do is make sure that the water below is still there, but you don't want to have too much. You don't want it to be super soaked. Your seeds need to be able to breathe a little bit. So just check it daily and make sure that, it's just moist to the touch, and you should be good. So just cover it until you start to see your seeds start to germinate and poke through the soil. Then you can just set it by a windowsill and watch them grow until it's time to transplant in the garden. Happy planting.